Hello friends. I am Lee Vue. I am an Oriental medicine doctor. I know about medicinal plants. On this channel I will share with you about medicinal plants and how to use them to protect your health. Please see. Cancer is an evil disease, and there is still no medicine to treat it thoroughly. Today I will share with you about a medicinal plant that supports the treatment of this disease. It is Hedyotis diffusa. Hedyotis diffusa is a medicinal plant used to treat tumors, effectively improving tumor conditions. The plant is used extensively in supporting treatment of tumors. Other names for Hedyotis diffusa. Hedyotis diffusa, also known as draft. Science name. Hedyotis diffusa is a small grass, grows cows, lives every year. Distribution area. Grows wild on the edge of a field and along hillsides and mountainsides. Trees distributed around the world. Describe medicinal plants. Hedyotis diffusa has a light brown body, rounded at the base. Young stems have 4 sides, carrying many branches. Leaves oblong, about 1.5 to 3.5 cm long, 1 to 2 m wide, pointed at the tip, gray, tough, almost sessile. Flowers grow solitary or in pairs of leaf axils. Small flowers have 4 pointed spherical sepals and spherical-shaped tubes. Closing, gourd, and spherical flat channels, containing many small, angled seeds inside. Hedyotis diffusa is collected in the summer, then washed, dried or dried. According to Oriental medicine, Hedyotis diffusa has a sweet, pale, bitter, cool, non-toxic properties. Heat effect, detoxification, low benefit, emphysema, active blood, diuretic, dissipated cancer. Research on Hedyotis diffusa. According to the research of scientists, Hedyotis diffusa has the ability to control the growth of cancer. The effect of Hedyotis diffusa. This is a valuable drug that inhibits the division and reproduction of tumor cell lymph nodes, supporting the treatment of cancers, especially colorectal cancer. Strengthen the body's resistance to being vacant with tumors. Prevent complications of tumors. What diseases does Hedyotis diffusa treat? Colorectal cancer, bowel cancer, liver cancer, stomach cancer, lung cancer. Increase the ability to treat hepatitis, jaundice, cirrhosis. Using. With so many effects, is there any effect of Hedyotis diffusa that you are asking it to help you? Leave your comments below. How to choose. For a good result when using Hedyotis diffusa, you first need to choose the time of collection of Hedyotis diffusa that has the highest active ingredient content in it, which is usually summer. Summer is also a time for you to easily dry herbs. Make sure your Hedyotis diffusa is completely dry, not a moldy mold that grows and becomes toxic or has altered active ingredients. Modification not only reduces the effectiveness of treatment but also can cause toxicity or side effects. Of course, before drying, Hedyotis diffusa must be washed and picked up withered leaves, cut into short pieces of about 5 cm. Finally, you must store it in a glass jar, cover and place in a cool, dry place. Prescriptions. You already know how to choose Hedyotis diffusa. So let's embark on processing Hedyotis diffusa following the remedies below to treat your disease. Treatment of boils, tumors. Break up the Hedyotis diffusa leaf and apply it to your boils. In addition, you should combine with drinking boiled water from Hedyotis diffusa 120 g during the day to affect swelling and reduce the size of boils. For other diseases, use 100 to 200 Hedyotis diffusa. Boil with drinking water during the day. Thank you for watching my video. Wish you always healthy, happy. Looking forward to seeing you again in the following video. Do not forget to like me.